This is the Chevron top handlebag, but it's just really minimal and elegant, but very, very functional at the same time. So we've got the front paneling, which is very, very minimal and classic, and then at the back we kind of show the different textures between the smooth and the nappa. So we've got the first one, which goes to the very large space inside for lots of things, and also it has the zip closing. It also has on the back pocket for your phone, and the heels are nice detail, and the nappa at the top as well, and also a beautiful black strap as it's adjustable, so you can make it longer or shorter. What's very practical is that you open it up and it has the gold lining, but it also has a zip here. Really nice, beautiful, minimal, structured, and really kind of architectural in their own right.